guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So you guys have been requesting this video for so long, and like in every video you guys comment this, like what products are you using for your hair to make it look shiny, to make it look strong and healthy. I'm gonna tell you guys what products I use today. Some of these products are drugstore, some are a little bit more pricey, but guys, there's one product that is $5. It's $5 and you can get it at Target. So if you have an idea, comment down below. Try to comment down below right now before I say it, just to see if you got it right. So the first one is actually this one. This is the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. You guys have heard me speak about this a lot in my videos. I bought this at Sephora and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. I'm gonna link it down below, and I'm gonna link all the products down below, of course. But guys, I use this every single time I do a blowout. Every single time. Like, you spray this just a little bit. Don't add too much, because that's one thing. If you add too much, it can get kind of sticky. Just spray this like 3 or 4 times all over your hair, and a little bit goes a very long way. I mean, I've had this little one for a while and I still have a lot in there. I take this everywhere with me. I use this every time. It makes your hair look so shiny. This makes such a big difference on your blowout, on your hair. Like, this is amazing and I love this. I love this. So I totally recommend this. When it comes to shampoo and conditioner, I'm not that picky with shampoo and conditioner. I kind of use anything pretty much. But I don't know, this shampoo and conditioner is like nice. It really stands out. Like, I love this. And this is for people who have dyed their hair before, and I dyed my hair like not too long ago with the Madison Reed hair dye, which I love as well. Guys, if you need to dye your hair and you don't know what brand to use, Madison Reed is the brand to go with, because I really do like their products. Like, I love how my hair turned out after I dyed my hair with Madison Reed. But anyways, this leaves my hair smelling amazing. It leaves it super soft and ready for my blowout, and also it helps so much with my color. You don't see like a huge difference right away, because this is like something that you just put on your hair and take it out right away. It's not like masks or sprays or anything like that, but all shampoo and conditioners are like that, and I just feel like this leaves my hair super soft, smelling amazing, and my color just looks fantastic. And this helps a lot with color treated hair. Okay, so are you guys ready to know and to find out what is the $5 product that I am in love with? Like, I don't know how I don't know how you can come up with a product that is gonna leave your hair so nice and smooth, and it only costs $5. It's like a miracle. Yeah, it's a miracle. It's the 3-minute miracle, and this is amazing, guys. I was using this back in high school and I used to love it, and I kind of just stopped using it because I just tried other stuff. But I used this like 2 months ago and I have not stopped using this. This is so good. You can get this at Target, CVS, Walgreens, Drugstore, anywhere, and this is so good. This is the bigger size too. They have a smaller one that is like $3, and then this one is like $5 at Target. This is a deep conditioner, and this is amazing. This really is amazing. Like, you leave this on for 3 minutes and that is all you need. So after 3 minutes, I rinse it off, and this leaves my hair so soft, so soft. So this helps so much, so much with my blowouts and making sure that my hair looks very shiny, very smooth, very soft. It's amazing. I totally recommend it. Okay, so for my curly hair girls out there, hello, how are you? I have a product for you that you're gonna love. So this is the Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair, and oh my god, this is so good for curling your hair. When I first tried it, I was like, oh, this is a spray, that's whack, like I want a cream, blah blah. Since this is a spray, I noticed that this distributes to my hair like so evenly, and like it gets to like every little space in your hair. I feel like sometimes creams, like gels and stuff, when you try to curl your hair, there could be like a random chunk of hair with a bunch of cream. It's just not like evenly distributed. So I just feel like this, because it's a spray, and also just the formula and you know what's in this is amazing, but since it's a spray, it just curls all your hair. Like, I know that if you try and distribute your cream very well, it could work too. And I have some that I actually really like this one, the Wave Hello, for curly hair. This is really good for curling your hair, but I just feel like this just wow, this just makes my hair so curly, and the curls are like soft. I totally recommend it. If you have curly hair and you're curling your hair all the time, I recommend it. And imagine taking this to the beach or something. Oh my god, your curls are gonna come out so beautiful and so soft. Okay, so the last product that I loved and I just discovered not too long ago, I actually ordered this from Amazon, but they also have it like at Ulta or Sephora or both. I know I saw it at Sephora. I don't know if they have that at Ulta, but anyways, I got this online, and this is the Olaplex. I hope I'm saying it right. Olaplex Hair Perfector number 3. Like if you want a deep treatment, you can put this on your hair, on like damp hair. You can let it air dry, go to sleep with it, wake up the next morning, the next day, wash it off, blow out your hair, and oh my god, this is gonna make your hair look and feel so healthy, so strong. This is so good, guys. This is so good. I'm telling you, this is so good. I really love this. So when I did my blowout, I actually used that, and I mean, I think it looks pretty shiny. What do you guys think? It looks shiny, it's healthy. I just love using this before my blowouts because this leaves my hair so shiny, so healthy looking, and so soft. And the last thing that I had to include in this video, because I cannot film this video without mentioning this product, and it is not like a cream or anything. It is actually a hair tool, and I'm sure you guys already know what I'm talking about because I talk about this product or this item or tool all the time. It really just changed how my hair has been looking, not just like that day, but also in the long run. Like it really helps my hair stay healthy, and it doesn't damage my hair. There's like no breakage. Like it is so good. And I'm talking about my Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. If you haven't seen my videos, then go check them out. But I try out a lot of hair products and tools, and this is just the one that really stands out to me the most. Like hands down. The price, the quality, everything. Like how easy it is to use this and how quickly you can get a blowout. This is just insane. This is so good, guys. Like I will link down below some tutorials that I have using this so you guys can kind of see how I use this, but oh my god, this is so good. This is so good. Like you get such a quick blowout, and it leaves your hair so smooth and straight and sleek in like 35 minutes, like 35-40 minutes the most. This right here, this is great. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for the love and support that you guys have been giving to my channel. I really appreciate it, and thanks so much to everybody who has been subscribing and commenting and liking my videos. I love you guys, and I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you're wondering what this is, it actually burns my arm trying to curl my hair. But anyways, if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Those are some of the videos that I mentioned actually in this video, so go check them out right after this video. Bye guys, love you.